everyone.
Hello, welcome to ANFAL Integrated Junior Secondary School. Today, we will take you through Integrated Science Practical Lesson. We will be learning Lab Operators and Instrument Part 1. I hope you will enjoy this video that we have lined up for you.
Thank you for joining us. My name is Teacher Gawawa. We will be covering apparatus used for heating purposes in the lab.
Today we are very happy to represent our integrated science practical lesson. As we know, heating of substances is a common activity carried out in the laboratory during experiments. The source of heat we have in the laboratory is the bunsen burner, spirit lamp, and the portable burner. The main source of heat in the laboratory is the bunsen burner.
Okay, now let's look at the precaution when heating using the bunsen burner in the laboratory.
The following safety measures should be observed. Do not put anything in the flame unless directed to do so by the teacher. Do not leave the flame unattended at any time. Turn it off when not in use. Avoid loose clothing or hanging attires such as a tie. And long hair should be tied back. May catch fire if they hang too close to the flame. When not using the burner, ensure you put it off or turn it to yellow flame. A non-luminous flame is invisible. It may cause accidental burn. Clear the working area and keep all the materials away from the flame. Always wear lab goggles when you or someone around you is working with an open flame.
Okay, now let's look the parts and functions of the bunsen burner.
The bunsen burner consists of three main parts: the chimney, the collar, and the base. The chimney is this long hollow metallic cylinder with an air hole near the lower end. It allows gas up from the inlet to be ignited at the top to produce a flame, while the air hole allows air to enter and mix with the laboratory gas for a complete combustion.
The collar is this metallic ring surrounding the chimney at the lower end. Other bunsen burners have a collar with a hole of equal size to that of the air hole. It controls the opening and the closing of the air hole.
The base is this thick metallic material with the gas inlet and the jets. It is wide and heavy to provide a firm and steady support. The gas inlet is connected to an external source of laboratory gas, which is usually methane, by a means of rubber tubing. The jet allows the laboratory gas into the chimney.
Now, we'll learn how to light the bunsen burner.
To light a bunsen burner, we need a bunsen burner, a matchbox, or a gas lighter. Using a lead splint or a spark lighter is much better. How to light the bunsen burner. Check if the gas tap is closed. This is fully closed. Start with a closed air hole. Ensure that the gas inlet is connected to external source of laboratory gas using the rubber tubing. Light the matchstick. Place it above the chimney, then slowly turn the gas tap.
What does the flame produced looks like?
As we can observe that the flame produced is large, wavy, and yellow in color. The flame burns quietly. This is called luminous flame. It is referred to as the safety flame because it is seen in a bright room. It indicates incomplete combustion of the gas due to insufficient supply of air, and it contains a lot of unburnt carbon. Now, slowly turn the collar to open the air.
Good. Now, what happens to the flame?
As we open the air hole, air enters and mixes with the gas at the chimney. The mixture burns with a nice blue flame. This is called a non-luminous flame. The flame burns with a roaring sound. Sometimes it is referred to as the roaring blue flame. It indicates complete combustion of the gas, as the gas burns in excess oxygen. No unburnt carbon is produced. All the carbon has been turned into carbon dioxide.
Now let's look the types of flame produced by the bunsen burner.
The types of flames. Number 1, luminous flame is produced when the air hole is closed. Number 2, non-luminous flame is produced when the air hole is open.
Now we can discuss the regions of these two flames produced.
Regions of the luminous flame. There are 4 regions of a luminous flame. The first one, the blue zone at the bottom of the flame, a complete combustion due to air arising from the surrounding. The second one, almost colorless region, consists of air and unburnt gases. The third one, the thin outer pale blue region. There is a complete combustion due to air supply from the surrounding. The fourth one, the luminous bright yellow region. These are tiny particles of unburnt carbon. They produce light and make apparatus dirty with soot. Soot is this black substance that forms on the apparatus. Never use luminous flame for heating purposely in the lab.
Regions of non-luminous flame. There are 3 regions in a non-luminous flame. 1. Almost colorless region at the top of the chimney. Mostly unburnt gases, this region is relatively cold. 2. The green-blue zone. Contain partial burnt gases due to insufficient air supply. 3. The outer pale blue zone. This is the hottest part of the flame as there is complete combustion due to sufficient air supply.
Now we'll conduct an experiment to investigate the hottest part of a non-luminous flame.
Using a wooden splint, place it in different zones of the flame. Place it at the bottom of the flame. Remove it before it starts burns. That is the almost colorless region, where at the middle is relatively cold, most contains air and unburnt gas. At the middle, the splint will not burn. Using another different wooden splint, place it at the upper region of the flame. Remove it before it starts burns. That is the pale blue zone, the hottest region of the flame, and the wooden splint will burn completely at the center of the splint. Therefore, in order to have an efficient heating of the object should be placed at the blue zone. To turn off the bunsen burner, slowly turn the gas tank.
If you like this video, please subscribe, share with friends, hit the like button. We can continue making more videos like this just for you. Have an amazing day and we shall see you soon.
Yes. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, sir. And how are you?
I'm fine. Which subject is this?
Integrated science.
Which topic?
Bunsen burner.
Good. Now I will ask questions in bunsen burner. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first question. Name the apparatus that you used in the lab for heating purposes. Yes, Musa?
The bunsen burner.
The bunsen burner. State the functions of the following parts of a bunsen burner, starting with the chimney. Yes, Raisana?
The chimney, site of mixing laboratory gases and air.
Very good. The collar. Yes, Islam?
The collar, regulate amount of air entering the chimney.
Very good. The air hole. Yes, Sharifa?
The air hole allows air entering the chimney.
Yes. Another question. What is a flame, students? Yes, Aisha Abdul Qadir?
A flame is a mass of burning gases.
The next question. Name the types of flames. Yes, Abdul Hakim?
The types of flame are luminous flame and non-luminous flame.
Very good. Which type of flame that you have mentioned is preferred for heating purposes in the lab? And give a reason for your answer. Yes, Aluya?
An luminous flame, because an luminous flame produces a lot of heat and doesn't produce soot.
Very good. Now, give 4 differences between the flames that you have mentioned. Yes, Zainab.
Non-luminous flame doesn't produce light. Luminous produce light. Non-luminous flame doesn't produce soot. Luminous produce soot. Non-luminous flame, it has 3 regions. Luminous flame, it has 4 regions. Non-luminous flame non-luminous flame doesn't burns with roaring sound. Luminous burns current.
Very good. I've tried. Now, student, Now, students, give 2 reasons why the two flames differ. Give 2 reasons why the 2 flames differ. Yes?
They differ because non-luminous flame was produced when the air hole was fully open, while luminous flame is formed when the air hole is fully closed.
Very good. If I concentrate in my class. Good. Now, another question. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Very good. A wooden splint was slipped through a region of a particular flame of a bursting burner in the laboratory. The splint was not burned at the middle part. Name the type of flame the splint was slipped through. Yes. Yes. Aisha Matano?
A non-luminous flame.
Yes, it was a non-luminous flame. Good. Now, name the type of flame you have named. Explain why the splint was burned that way. Explain why the splint was burned that way. You are Abdul Basit. Yes, please.
A non-luminous flame has 3 regions. Almost colorless zone, which is not hot. Green-blue zone, which is fairly hot, and pale blue zone, which is the hottest. The burnt parts of the ends were burnt due to pale blue zone. The middle and burnt parts were directly in contact with the almost colorless zone, which is not hot enough.
Good, very good. The next question will be, after use, the non-luminous flame should be turned off or adjusted to a non-luminous flame. Explain. 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 Yes, Sharbaiti?
This is because the non-luminous flame is invisible and it can easily cause an accident of burns in the laboratory and also to save fuel.
Very good answer. The last question of the day. Putting of flames is one of the laboratory safety rules. State any rule that is applied in the laboratory. Yes? Yes, Mohammed Saleh.
We must not do unauthorized experiment. We must not run in the laboratory.
Good. Give us any other reason that you know.
You must not eat inside the laboratory.
Yes.
You must not do anything new inside the laboratory.
Yes, don't try anything new. Yes, give this guy. Yes, Sauda. Any other reason?
Do not put anything in the flame unless directed to do so by the teacher.
Very good. Any other?
Clear the working area after doing your experiments.
Very good. Yes?
You should avoid loose clothing or hanging attire such as a tie. If they hang too close to the flame, they may catch fire.
That is very good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I have come to the end of the topic today, and we are happy. And ANFAL Integrated is located at Bamburi Mwisho, Mombasa County. Here we offer quality education. You can trust us with your child. Have a great day. Bye.